Hello everyone and welcome back. We are going to discuss about the 3D effects or 3D tools available in Adobe Illustrator. Revolve tool is also as important as extruding. Mostly cylindrical and hollow objects are created by using Revolve tool in Illustrator. Actually, in this video we want to talk about the Revolve and create an amazing project with this effect. Let's jump into the Illustrator. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe to my channel for reaching to the previous lectures and click on the bell button so whenever I publish a new video, you are the first one who can watch it. Okay, at the first step we want to create some circles for adding into our sphere. Select the ellipse tool from here and create an ellipse. Add the black color and disable the stroke. Okay, now I select it, hold the Alt key and put it here. And after that, press Command and D for duplicating this process. Select all of them, put it at the center, hold the Alt key and move them here. Select both of them, press Command and G for creating the group and again hold the Alt key and move them here. Very good. And now press Command and D. I select all of them and rotate it by holding the Shift key 19 degree. Scale it down, put it here into my artboard. Select all of them, again hold the Alt key and put it here. Select both of them, hold the Alt key and duplicate them. And now I select all of them, press Command and G, and now this is a group. The second step is creating a symbol with these small circles for adding into our sphere. After grouping, we select it and go to the Symbols tab. Here, if you don't have this panel, you can go to Window and activate the symbols. Now I press this key for adding the new symbol into the symbol panel. I add a name, small circles. This is a movie clip and the symbol type is dynamic symbol. Now I press OK. This is my symbol. I'm zooming out, select these circles and move them here, out of my artboard. Now change the view and start creating the sphere. Okay, I select the circle from the center, hold the Alt and Shift key and hold the left key and create a circle. Change the color to gray and now select it with the direct selection tool. I select this anchor and delete, and now I have a half ellipse. This is here for creating my sphere with 3D effects. I select it and go to Effect, Illustrator Effects and 3D and select the Revolve. We have so many options here in the 3D Revolve options window. I want to change this feature to the right edge and now this is the sphere. And change the surface from plastic shading to diffuse shading. Now press the More option key. We have so many options here about the light, ambient light, light intensity, blend stops. For example, I want to increase the blend stop to 120. I don't want to change the shading color, that's okay. And the angle of the shading is okay. For example, I can put it here, but that's okay. This is good. After defining the settings, I select the map art. This is the map art. Now I can add my symbol into my sphere. Select this panel and select the small circles which I created it before that. And now I select it. By holding the Shift key, I want to scale it up. That's great, and now I press OK. From here, you can change the position of your sphere. For example, you can move it into this shape. Okay, I think that's great. And now I press OK. And now this is my sphere. The next step is separating these circles from the sphere. I select my sphere, go to Object, and press Expand Appearance. Now I have a full appearance of this shape. You can see I can select these little circles, but these are in a group. I press left key, ungroup them, again ungroup them, and now we have another sphere. This is the front side of my sphere, and this is the behind side of my sphere. That's it. Again, if I select it, press right click and press Release Clipping Mask. And now I can separate my circles. I delete my sphere, put my circles into here, select this one, again Release Clipping Mask, separate the circles and delete the sphere. This is the behind of my sphere and this is front. I select the behind and decrease the opacity. Now I select both of them, go to Align, Horizontal Align Center, I press it, and Vertical Align Center. Okay, now I select the bottom layer. Here, if I select this circle, I can select whole of the layer and rotate it 180 degrees. Here you are. This is just like a shadow of my little circles. I delete these layers, these are trash, and these ones. Okay, now I want to colorize the circles. I select the behind layer, go to Object and hide it. From here, Object tab, hide, and press Selection, or press Command and number 3 or Control 3 in Windows. Now I select this layer, right click and ungroup it. Now I separated the little circles. You can put it here. Okay, I select some of them. I want to add 4 color into my circles. I select some of them, add this color to them. Select the fill, add this color code F3B05A. Select another ones, go to fill color, add this code F4874B. Select the next layers, go to fill color F46A4E and select the other ones, add this color 5C4A72 and press OK. We have some circles here. Select them, go to eyedropper and add this color to them, and another circle is here. I select it, again add this color. Okay, I changed my opinion. I want to change these colors. Actually, I want to make them darker. For example, add this red. Yes, that's great. Change the view and fit on a screen. Go to Object and Show All. Again, select the behind layer. Let me before that, I press Command and Z. Let me before that create a group. I select all of them, press Command and G. Now this is a group. After that, go to Object and Show All. Select this group, actually the behind group. Decrease the opacity. Very good, this is a 3D sphere. And now I want to add a shadow at the behind of my sphere. I create a circle here. Black color is okay. I go to Effect, Stylize and Feather. This is very important for adding the shadow into your artwork. I select the feather and 15 pixels is okay as the radius. Now I select it and decrease the opacity. I select both of them, go to Align and align them horizontally and move them at the center of the artboard. And now I add a background. Create a full rectangle, right click, go to Arrange and send it to back and activate the gradients, change the type to radial and change the colors, for example to this color, and that is okay I think. This is the 3D sphere into my artboard. I want to tell you a simple tips for creating the circles. That is another way for creating it. That's the effect of transform. I move here. These are my circles. And again, create a circle. change the color to black. I select it, go to Effect, and go to Distort and Transform, and select the transform. Change the number of the copies to 20 or 10, and now change the move amounts, horizontal amounts and vertical. Here you are, for example 40 pixel, 20 pixel, and then press OK. As well as this line, you move it here, hold the Alt key and create your circles. This is just like that. I move them here and save it for you. After downloading the file, you can have both of them, these circles and these ones. Okay, I want to change the view. That is enough for this video. I will see you in the next lecture.